We've just acquired this really lovely Jaguar XF. It's the 2.2 diesel Sportbrake estate. It's in lovely condition, drives superb. It's got the privacy glass to the rear. It's got a detachable tow bar. You can take that off if you want, but I know that's a very expensive piece of kit, so we've left it on. It does come off if you want. It's got rear park distance control. It's got an electric tailgate. It's got the extra luggage spaces there. Rear load cover. Full leather interior, absolutely lovely condition. Electric windows, electric mirrors, partial electric seats. Now, just start the car up. All the air vents rise up. It's done 112,670 miles. It's got factory fitted satellite navigation. Got Bluetooth for phone, climate control, it's all very nice and cold. Extra storage space here, aux and USB there, cruise control, multifunction steering wheel, paddle shift on the gearbox if you want to drive it that style. Really is in lovely condition. DJH have full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.